Hey guys, I am going to Dollar Tree or Dollar General to see if I can find some nice little buys for little Christmas giveaways or little Christmas games that I have at the house for the holidays. And I thought that it would be a good idea to, hold on y'all, I am not good with this vlogging and driving. Hold on. Thought it would be a good idea to go to Dollar Tree and see what they have. So I made it to Dollar Tree and I'm gonna go in here and see what nice buys they have for Christmas. Girl, I'm sorry. Y'all, don't sleep on Dollar General. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I see. All right. Also consider the holidays on a budget, so I'm here at Dollar General and I'm gonna see what we find. Hello. They have some nice gift cards, gift ideas. Let's go into the Christmas aisle. They have candles. Those are nice candles to give to maybe a co-worker or something like that. Those are nice. All different types of things you can do. A couple gift sets. This is a $3 gift set and a $5 gift set. Various things, aroma kit. Some throw blankets. Throw blankets are always a nice gift. I love those. Look at these nice candles. For only 10 bucks. If you have to do like a holiday gift party for someone. Christmas containers. I love these. You can use these to carry your cookies. They're super cute. And they only cost $1. Storage oh, look at those. Those are so cute. Mugs. You can fill these mugs up with candy. You can wrap them. You can put a nice little kit to make cocoa. Those are always nice. Nice kits. Socks. Socks are always a hit. Gloves. This is Dollar General, guys.
Okay. All right. Excuse me.
Gingerbread kit.
Okay.
Real nice. Of course, this is my favorite, you guys. I love getting this holiday popcorn. It's so cool. Cookies. These pretzels are really good. Also for a holiday party. And the Christmas aisle. Various things. For $1. Christmas hats. For decent prices. Look at these beautiful boxes. I'll be getting one of these today for my Secret Santa gift. Cards if you forgot someone. This is again Dollar Tree, guys. Look at these nice mugs. You can give those to someone at work. Great ideas. Okay. Let's see. Really nice little small cute things to decorate the house for $1. Always nice to have more Christmas cloths or towels, kitchen towels. Nice big storage boxes.
I know. So look at this. This is
really nice. They also have these beautiful battery operated Christmas toppers for your tree. Look at that, guys, for $3, $8. Gift wrap, $4. If you're on a budget, great. What is this? Oh, these are little lights. Nice. Guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They have everything you want. Look at all this. Super cool stuff. Beautiful Christmas bags. Those are only $2. Those are $5 because they're bigger, but they're super, super nice if you just don't want to wrap something. Beautiful quality for decent prices. Extra boxes, because you know no one's giving boxes this year. Very, very nice. Kitchen towels. You know I love kitchen towels for $1. Come on, look at those beautiful towels.